Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool which is having different AI templates, especially for writing, and also it is having an inbuilt chatbot. So let us give some research prompts in the chatbot and let us see how it will generate content for us. So let us go on and check that ultimate AI. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. And also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and I am going to make a live research paper writing using all this combined AI tools. So to get a better research paper out of it. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Ultimate AI. So here you can see this is Ultimate AI. This is the dashboard of this Ultimate AI. So here you can see that you can get 5,500 words for free. So here these are the different options available in this Ultimate AI. So here you can see AI writing tools. Just to click on this AI writing tools. So here you can see that these are the different categories available in this AI writing tools: website and SEO, social media, general writing, email, e-commerce, articles and blogs, ads, etc. So as far as research paper writing is concerned, so we can use some of the templates which will be useful for our research paper writing. So you can use this template called grammar check. So just to click on this grammar check. So here you can see this is how the template of grammar check will be. So here you can copy and paste the text to check. So here I am going to paste the text, random content which is taken from a research paper which is still proceeding. So here you can see that after click on generate, so it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see that it will generate a better content. So the incorporation of non-conventional energy sources in microgrids introduces variability and intermittency in power generation. So necessitating efficient control mechanism to maximize energy capture and utilization. A study on meta-heuristic optimization procedures for MPPT in solar PV system was conducted by one. So this is how you can check a grammar using this AI template. So go back. So next you can see Twitter tweets. These are related with social media. Next you can see that bypass AI detection. So just to click on this bypass AI detection. So you can generate any content from AI. So in order to do so, I am going to ChatGPT. So just to click on ChatGPT, here you can click explain machine learning. So like that you can generate a content. So here you can see that just I am going to copy this first paragraph alone. So go to the template, that is bypass AI detection. So copy that one. So after that click on generate. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see that how this is paraphrased is that machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Here you can see that machine learning falls under the umbrella of artificial intelligence, and the focus on developing algorithm and is dedicated to creating algorithms. So like that every word is changed into a equivalent word. So like that it will reduce the AI detection in your content, and you can check for AI detection also. So it will be a better paraphraser to reduce that is bypass AI detection. So this will very helpful for you to bypass AI detection for your research paper. So next we will explore some other template. So here you can see that this is general, to write a general content article and blog outlines, for example. So I am going to explore this one. So I am going to give a title of the blog: grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So like that you can give this title of the blog. So our blog post is about PV system connected to grid. So this is all about that is our blog. So here you can select the tone of voice. professional, conversational, humorous, enthusiastic. I am going to give professional. So after that, click on generate. So let us see how it will generate outline for us. So here you can see that this title, introduction, next benefits, next integration, next conclusion. So this is how it will generate content for this article or blog outlines. So from this you can make that is upgraded version using this content. So you may improvise this contents, so but it won't work out for our research paper writing. As far as research paper writing is concerned, so you have different subheadings, you have section wise subheadings that will help us to write a that is research paper. So this will be helpful for us to write blog, that is blogs or any articles like that you can make use. So here you can see, after that you can see that pros and cons, the merits and demerits of a particle that is a website for your blog article. So next you can see that YouTube description, leverage trending hashtag. Next important thing is that prompt. So just click on that prompt. So generate any copy you want, tell the AI to write how. So for example, I am going to give generate an abstract for the research paper titled Machine Learning Algorithm for EV Charging Station. So like that. So I am going to give an input. So after that, click on generate. So let us see how it will generate. So here you can see this is the revised prompt. So it is generating that is a common content only, it won't work out for us. So it is not taking the input given by that is given by us. So you can avoid this template, that is prompt template, it is not working properly. So next, essay writer. So you can see that essay writer, write a professional essay with in-depth vision and covering everything, any reference style. So you can use any reference style to write an essay. So after that, proofreader, this one is very important for our research paper writing as comes to proofreader. So here I am going to copy and paste the same research paper content. So go to that and paste here, that is proofreading. So after the target audience, I am going to tell it as that is journals, reputed journals and researchers. So after that you can click on generate. So let us see how this proofreading will works out. So here you can see that. So this is how the proofreading will be generated. So this is the proofreader content. So what are the flaws available in this particular content will be generated here. So ensure proper use of commas, periods, semicolons, colons, etc., punctuation mark. So like that it will give that is generate the content. So like that you can make use of this template also for proofreading. So apart from this, you will be having summarize content. So you can summarize the content using this summarize content template. So after that you can see these are related with that is promotions, emails, etc. Next you can see that blog paragraph writer, next paragraph generator, Facebook content improver. So like that these are the different options available in this particular AI writing tool. So you can make use of this option in this AI writing tool to generate a better content for your research paper. So next one is image generator. So here you can see that, so turn text into an image with the AI image generator. So by giving an input prompt, that image will be converted into text. So you can use this option also. So go back. So next you can see that chatbot. So this is very important, as like all AI tools having, so it is also having a chatbot. So you can use this chatbot to generate a better content. So according to the input prompt, it will generate content for you. So you can make use of this chatbot. So this is all about this ultimate AI. So it is having different writing templates. We have explored different writing templates, and also it is having a chatbot and image generator. So go on and explore your that is this ultimate AI with this 1500 free words. So if it works out well, you can go for upgrade option. So click on upgrade option. So here you can see that it is starter plan 17.10 per month, that is up to 50,000 words. Next, for teams it is $39.20 per month, so you can use up to 80,000 words. So these are next, this is unlimited plan, so you can access for $71.20. you can have unlimited words and unlimited images, so you can have unlimited access for all the templates. So this is how you can use this Ultimate AI to generate a better content for your research paper writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this Ultimate AI and make your research paper writing easy and simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.